Malapit nang umere ang Season 7 ng Mind as School TV. Ready ka na ba sa kwentong medyo komplikado? Pinasilip ng Bonifacio Art Foundation at Center for Conservation Innovations PH ang kwento ng bagong season ng Mind as School TV. Bida kasi rito ang Very Important Problems o VIPs ng Barangay Komplikado.
Episode 1, it's gonna be Klima or the Climate Crisis. We have Sari, ang full name niya po ay Sari Buhay or Biodiversity. We have Susie for Sustainability, Apunos, Disasters, Hilo for Recovery and Resilience, and Bukas for Futures.
Bilang pasilip, nagpalaro sila sa Mind Museum at sinimula ng pagbigay ng kaalaman tungkol sa mga issue.
Learning from nature is the ultimate kind of learning. People seem to think that because we live in the information age that we're detached from nature. There is no one living that is disconnected fundamentally from nature.
Mga issue sa biodiversity at conservation ang bibigyang diin at solusyon sa palabas.
Pag gusto nyo nang mag-give up tackling an issue, sasabihin nyo, it's so complicated. Oo. Pero walang bagay na worth doing and worth trying kung hindi siya complicated. And these are really critical problems. Pag hindi natin sinolve, walang mangyayari sa ating lahat.
Whoever taught us that nature is simple, nature is complicated, and life is complicated. And so I think this is an attempt to personify the complications. But
Ipapakita rin sa palabas ang kahalagahan ng kaalaman tungkol sa kalikasan lalo na kapag may unos.
this is a plea, a prayer, in fact, that perhaps it starts with knowing and understanding and hopefully evolving to affection and love for nature, nature-based solutions, I think is the main message.
Mapapanood ang kwento ng Barangay Komplikado simula September 28 sa 1PH. Mobile journalist Fatima Baduria po hatid ang mukha ng balita.